the story?
Crocodile.
Wow.
Crocodile story.
Is it a clever monkey?
Yes.
Who are there in the story?
Crocodile. And monkey.
Monkey. Who gave mangoes to the crocodile?
Monkey.
Where did get the mangoes? Where did monkey get mangoes?
Tree.
From the tree. So daddy crocodile went and gave to the mangoes to whom? Mummy crocodile. What did mummy crocodile ask? What did she ask?
I want a heart. I want heart.
Did he ask for heart? Whose heart?
Monkey heart.
Monkey heart. Then what did she say to the monkey? She invited for lunch, right? Then where did the monkey sit? How did they go in water?
Crocodile.
He sat on the crocodile. Okay? While on the way, what did the crocodile say to monkey?
Monkey sits backside.
Okay, what did she say when she said about his heart? What did she say? Where did she keep his heart? Where did monkey keep his heart? House. Is it possible to keep heart at home? Is it possible? Will you keep your heart at home and come to school?
No.
No. Why did monkey say that? Why did she?